Welcome to Flash Lesson 14. This is the shape tween stunt. So we're going to create a movie clip that has a plane that's going to blow out some smoke trails. And feel free to experiment with this with your own ideas too. As you might after you create this exercise, you want to go in and have the smoke form some words or make some interesting shapes, whatever you want. But this is going to be how to create a movie clip, place it in the timeline, and have it be a shape tween. So we opened up file 14 start. Now I'm going to go to insert a movie clip. So I'm going to go to insert new symbol and make it a movie clip. And we're going to name this movie clip Flying Tigers MC. And click OK. So now we're inside of the new Flying Tigers movie clip. We're going to create two layers. A layer number 1 at the bottom is going to be plane, and layer number 2 at the top is going to be smoke. So I'm going to make this the smoke layer and make this the plane layer. And then we're going to create the classic tween for the plane first. So lock the smoke layer so you don't accidentally write in that one. And then go and get the brown plane, and we're going to put the brown plane somewhere on the stage over here. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to make smoke yet. So I'm going to go to Edit, undo my brush. And then I'm going to get my arrow and just place the plane off to the side there. Kind of just parallel with the crosshair. Now, we can't really tell where the stage area is. So what I would like to do is go back to Scene 1 and then click Keyframe 1 and place that plane movie clip. Where is it? Let's find it. Here it is, Flying Tigers MC, and place that onto the stage, and then just sort of place it off to the side. It's actually underneath my library, but I don't want my library to be closed, so I'm going to move my library over just a little bit, placing that plane off to the side, and then I'm going to double click the plane to get back into that clip so that I can see the stage underneath, because I want to be able to see the stage underneath. And so now I'm going to, let's see, in the plane layer, I'm going to insert my ending keyframe, which is frame 70 or something near there. Insert timeline keyframe, and then create the classic tween. And in frame 70, I want my plane to be moved to the other side of the stage so that it flies across the stage like that. So in 70 it's going to be off stage, off to the side here. And so I'm done with my plane layer. I just want to check to see that the tween works, and it does. I'm going to lock that layer, and I'm going to go into the smoke layer and go back here to keyframe 1. And this is where I'm going to create my shape tween. So that when my plane is approximately about maybe, I don't know, like 1/4 into the animation, I'm going to select that frame, and I'm going to insert a keyframe there. Inserting timeline and then keyframe. And it's a blank keyframe because there's nothing in that layer yet. But right about where the tail is, I'm going to get some paint here from my paintbrush, and no stroke, but I'm going to use a fill color of smoky gray. maybe this one right here. And I'm just going to draw a little dot. So that's where the smoke is going to start. Right there. And now, going back to frame 70, insert, timeline, and a keyframe. And I want to see where my plane is. I'm going to go ahead and draw just more curls and kind of make this smoke go for a long way and attach itself to the plane over here. And now the very last thing I'm going to do is select the entire layer and turn this into a shape tween. I have to grab the shape tween keyframe to do that. So I have to grab the first keyframe and then I can go into the shape tween and then I can test my movie. So it's going to come out and it's actually going to have that smoke follow the airplane right there. And so if I go back to scene 1, I created that movie clip in the stunt 2 location. So if I test my movie, buttons 1 and buttons 2 will play the animation. Control, test movie in Flash. Button 1, the plane automatically loops. It's flying a little backwards. That's okay. Button number 2, there goes the plane, and there goes my new smoke animation that I just created. And that's the end of lesson 13.